Begin configuring your Sports Central feed from the Content menu by selecting the Sports Central tile. In the next window, you will see a preview on the left where you can see changes to your feed. Click in the left corner of the preview to toggle content views. Available content views are Calendar, Team Profile, Game View, Scoreboard, Standings, Stat Leaders, March Madness, Leaderboard, Medal Count, and World Cup. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. By default, all leagues available are selected. Deselect leagues to remove them from the feed. Set the teams you want included in the feed. This can be done by location. Location can be defined by postal code, city and state, or latitude and longitude. You can also have your software define that location as well. Another option is to pick teams individually. Under Choose a Team, enter the name of the team you'd like to add, and select a time zone. Otherwise, you can choose National Interest, and this will show general information about leagues. Set your content views. Available content views are Calendar, Team Profile, Game View, Scoreboard, Standings, Stat Leaders, March Madness, Leaderboard, Medal Count, and World Cup. Choose your style from the preset style buttons or click the custom style button to make further customizations. Available options for style customizations are adjusting the font, background type, background, text, accent, label, label background, intro background, and intro text colors, and optionally hide shadows, hide background logos, and hide team logos. Choose your feed language from the dropdown, and set the duration you want each content view to show. The default is 10 seconds. The feed can be configured also to limit the events based on the status. By default, all game statuses are included, but optionally, you could only show pre-game, in-game, or post-game. Toggle randomization of content views, or enable or disable animation. Choose an intro, style, background, and custom message, and then finally set a delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, JSON, or XML data. Click the Create Feed button to create your Sports Central feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.